Many students believe the myth that getting high scores in science subjects needs uniquely high understanding ability, but the truth is that you just need proper mental orientation, strong determination, and suitable techniques to master science subjects. You don't need special IQ to achieve special results in science subjects. Today, you are going to discover amazing 10 techniques for legendary performance in science subjects. First thing, set great goals. What marks do you want to score? Which grade do you want to achieve? Set specific and well-defined goal and not just general goal of doing well in examination. In setting those great goals, you have to keep the following in considerations. First, make sure you have all proper information concerning to your goal. Understand possible obstacles and opportunities in the goal achievement process. Second, the goal should be set at the margin of possibility and impossibility. In setting the goal, you have not only to consider your strength so that the goal is not comfortably achievable, but also considers your weakness so that the goal is not unachievable. Third, the goal should not be competitive. Don't aim to be the best student, but to be among the best students. Set the goal of having great understanding, goal of attaining certain score or grade, and not the goal of competing and be above other students. If the competition is the only thing you need to motivate you in your studies, then compete against yourself and not against others. Second thing, set priorities. Time is always limited, but demands to utilize the time is unlimited. So you have to make priorities. Set subjects priorities so that you build confidence and calmness of studying other subjects. Set topics priorities so that you build confidence and calmness of studying other topics. Third thing, use a lot of time to study few things. In order to have deep understanding upon particular topic or subtopic, set aside enough time to read and to do a lot of questions. Don't keep together different studying tasks from different subjects or topics in a day timetable. Fourth thing, set suitable proportion of studying time between matters that consume larger portion of mental energy and matters that consume smaller portion of the mental energy. In your daily timetable, don't use the whole day to study hard matters. It is advised not to consume more than 4 hours a day to study either hard matters or new matters. After studying things which consume a lot of mental energy, use the remaining time to do at least one of the following: reminding yourself about some definition and laws, reading simple matters which you have already good understanding on them, repeat solving questions which you have correctly solved before, participate in group discussions or conduct teaching session for your fellow students. Fifth thing, make sense and imagination for almost everything you are studying. During self-studying, keep several short breaks after each reasonable reading session. In these short breaks, attempt to make sense and imagination of everything studied in the last session. Also, on the bed before falling asleep, attempt to make sense and imagination of all matters studied the whole day. Sixth thing, use largest proportion of your time to think about matters related to science subjects. Don't allow non-academic matters to take control of your mind, whether are love affairs, family conflicts, religious affairs, entertainments, or anything out of academic. Don't spend much time to think about them if you are really determined to have astonishing performance in science subjects. Seventh thing, participate in group discussion which are conducted in the appropriate manner. In discussing various matters with your fellow students, make sure you are obeying the following guidelines. Firstly, participate in the group discussion after personal self-studying. Also, in solving questions in the group discussion, everyone must hold pen and attempt to answer the question through writing on paper, even for explanatory questions. Additionally, set the limit time for every question you collectively agreed to attempt to answer. And finally, after every time has attempted to answer the question in agreed time limit, you can now share and discuss about better response to the question. Eighth thing, teach. As always, we are receiving and what we are giving. If you want to be respected, you have to respect others. If you want to be loved, you have to love others. In the same logic, if you want to have high understanding ability of science subjects, you have to teach others what you are already understanding. Teach your fellow students about topic or subtopics which they don't understand well, or solve questions for them. Don't forget, the right time to conduct teaching session is after your personal self-study. Ninth thing, establish good system and sequence of using studying and assessment materials. Good sequence for self-studying and self-assessment is as follows. Firstly, find and get a book or notes which has well covered at least 70% of what you have acquired to learn and understand in accordance to the stipulated syllabus. Then, do a lot of questions in each particular topic after completing to learn the particular topic. For questions you have failed to solve, use other reference books and sources to learn so that you attain extra knowledge and skills to solve the questions. Thereafter, solve questions from past papers of national examination and mock examinations and examinations from other schools, especially those with good performance in national examination results. For questions you have failed to solve, seek assistance from other books and sources. Finally, after learning and understanding all topics as per stipulated syllabus, take examination tests with similar formats and contents as the national examination. 10th thing, make your brain work hard. The main brain workout is to think after feeding the brain with new information, whether through learning new topic or any other way. Build a custom of practicing brain workout through insensitive, thoughtful thinkings on different matters, even if answers are not coming in a way you would like them to come. Think harder and harder. If you have failed to solve certain question, don't go straight for the solution given in the book, or don't ask for help from teacher or your fellow students immediately. Fight by finding solution on your own before seeking any kind of assistance. Those are 10 things which will certainly increase your performance in science subjects. Thank you.